Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I've got another great money-making application to show you guys. Now, this money-making app lets you make money by watching videos and discovering new applications. And in fact, it has the option to autoplay your videos, which is really nice if you don't want to be like babysitting your phones all day. Now, before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app I want to show you guys today is right here. It is called Movie Money, and it is available on both iOS and Android, and I'll be putting the link in the description below so that you can download it yourself. So now let's open it up, and once it loads, I believe you're going to be shown an advertisement. You can see right there it says "Make money by discovering apps." So you can see here there's an app. I don't think you get any points for downloading this app, but you can close it out right here. Just say no thanks. And then when you go to the home screen, you're going to be brought to this page where you can see your total points, how many more points you need until you get a gift card. So I believe it is 1,200 points for a $5 gift card right here. And you can see right there it says get $5 Amazon gift card and get $5 sent to PayPal. So you can choose between Amazon or PayPal, whichever you prefer. And yeah, all you gotta do is once you get your 1,200 points, just tap right there and this screen will be different because right now it says more points, watch videos to get more points. Once you have 1,200 points, you'll be able to cash out for $5, as I said. So yeah, that's how that works. Now to get points, you need to watch videos, and the way you do that is you tap on this big TV button right here. So let's tap on that, and when you do that, it's going to be say there at the bottom that it's loading. So it is loading a new video. Okay, so apparently I don't have strong Wi-Fi right now, so remember to make sure that your Wi-Fi is working pretty well so that you can actually load the video. Let me try to sort this out real quick, and when I get it figured out, I'll bring you guys back in. Okay, so here you go, it's working now, and you can see that it is now playing a video advertisement. I'm sure many of you have seen these types of ads in the past, and it says there that the video will end in 24 seconds. Unfortunately, it is buffering right now, so you can see there it says buffering, it's not actually playing. But I think in general these ads are going to be about 30 seconds long, and each ad you watch is worth 1 point. So I guess you can get around, what, 2 times 60, 120 points per hour if you just watch these videos straight through. And that's per phone. So if you have multiple phones, then you can make a lot more than 120 points per hour. So let's say you had 10 phones, then you can get 1,200 points per hour, which is actually really good since, as I said, you need 1,200 to cash out. So yeah, if you can get 10 phones and just get them running consistently, then you can make a decent amount of money using this app. So I don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi right now. I mean, it's like it's not working very well at the moment, but I will try to get you guys a nice clip of the ad playing all the way through so you can see how the points will start to add up after this ad finishes. Okay, so we have an ad playing right now. I'm hoping that it will be able to go to the end of the ad so that you can see my points add up. Okay, so there you go. That one was actually pretty short. It only took around 15 seconds, I'd say. So you can potentially make more points than I had previously estimated. So after the ad is finished, you're gonna get like a little pop-up here, and you can just click on the X. And when you do, you can see right there that the total points have added up. And then you can just do it again. And there you go. So now it's going. This one, I believe, is a 30-second ad. As you can see in the top left corner, there is a countdown that will reveal an X once the ad is finished. So let's just finish up this ad, and we can see another point get added to our total. And one more thing I want to show you is also the autoplay, which you need to unlock after you get a certain number of points. So now we can close this out. So what you can see here is, and there you go, it says congratulations, you've earned 1 point. Okay, so now right here there is a button, and what this button does is it lets you autoplay your videos, so you don't have to keep on tapping this TV every time you want to play a video. But the only time it'll work is after you get 200 points. So it says here, unlock autoplay. You have to have at least 200 points to unlock autoplay. Autoplay lets you sit back, relax, and enjoy videos without having to tap the screen. So this is a really, really good option, and I mean, like, not many apps offer this kind of option just to let videos play by themselves. So this is really nice. You don't have to set anything up with like automation or anything like that. But unfortunately, you do need 200 points. So you won't be able to try it out until you get 200 points. Although there is an easy way to get a free 100 points, and that is if you go to this options page and you go right here to share. You can see it says plus 100 points. So you can get an easy 100 points by sharing on Facebook, sharing on Twitter, and texting your friends, which will give you 10 points per person, whereas the other two will give you 25 points. So you can see there, that's a quick way to get 100 points. It doesn't take long at all to share those things, but it's only one time. You can't do it more than once. And one other thing about this app is you can see here, there's something called My Movie. And what you do is you can like create your own movie. So you like get images, and you can see there's different amounts that it costs using coins. Coins are separate from the points that you get for the gift card. These coins are only used for the movie itself. And then you can see here, there's like get animations. You can, I don't know, do this. And once you do get enough things that you can put in your movie, what you do is that you just create your movie, and then you can watch it. It'll like actually play your movie that you made. But there's no benefit to this, like money wise. You're not going to get any extra money by making a video or unlocking those items for the video. So the only reason you would use this is if you just wanted to have some fun and make a video. But there's no like monetary benefit. You won't get gift cards faster, you won't get points faster or anything like that by making a video or a movie. So I mean, it's just a little fun thing that they added. You don't have to do it. If you just wanted to make money, you can avoid that thing altogether and just watch videos using this screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. Let me just go through the about page so you can just see the common questions. So it says here, can you get more than one gift card or multiple PayPal payments? And the answer is yes. You can rake in money with movie money. It says I can't watch any more videos. How come? So you have to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. And oh, one thing I didn't mention is that there are only a limited number of videos that you can watch per day. So you can't just run this for 24 hours, 7 days a week, and just keep on making money from that. Unfortunately, they do have a limit. So just keep that in mind. You have, I think, like 20. Yeah, it says right here. Sometimes this number is below 20. So yeah, there's that. And then how quickly are the payments made? And it says here, usually within 7 days. However, it's possible that the payment can take up to 30 days, depending on the number of submissions that they get. So as they say here, during the holidays, it can get pretty busy, and that's when it'll slow down a little bit more. But otherwise, yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like And remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.